Though many dogs can digest whole grain carbohydrates, grains have the potential to trigger food allergies or sensitivities in some dogs. A grain-free dog food should be made with digestible carbohydrates like legumes, fruits, and vegetables, though the focus should always be on high-quality sources of protein. Tastes of the Wild offers 9 dry foods and 5 wet food formulas, all of which are protein-rich and grain-free. Taste of the Wild understands that dogs crave natural flavor, which is why each of its recipes is formulated around real roasted meats like venison, bison, and lamb. Real meats is the first ingredient in every recipe, though most contain multiple sources of animal protein. All of this brand's products are also supplemented with highly digestible carbohydrates for energy and fiber, dried fermentation products for probiotic support, and chelated minerals for maximum nutrition absorption. What really sets this brand apart is its use of novel proteins like bison and venison, which are less likely to trigger food allergies in dogs and are a leaner source of protein than commercially raised meats. It's also worth mentioning that this brand is nearly positive 10,000 reviews on Amazon for their most popular recipe. We would like to hear which of these products you like the most and why, so put that in the comments section below.